Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make a tutorial about SpongeBob SquarePants, the Patrick Star game, guys. And in this tutorial I'm going to share with you that how actually I got a copy of the game for free. So if you want to learn how to do this on your own, then watch this video until the end. I'm going to explain to you all the steps you need to know in order to get a copy of the game also. You can play it on any platform that you are playing, guys. So let's continue this tutorial right now. I'm just going to turn the camera on the other side to explain all the steps you need to know. As you can see guys right here in front of you, I got my iPhone. I suggest also you to grab your smartphone because you're gonna need it in order to get a copy of the game. So it doesn't matter the device you are using, iOS or Android. I'm just showing to you the steps with my phone because this is what I use. If you use Android device, it's totally fine because the steps are going to be the same for all kind of devices you're gonna use. Okay, so basically guys, we're going to get the game code which you can redeem after the code in any platform that you are playing. Practically you can get the game in any platform you are playing. So me, I got it by SMS. I'm going to share with you how it looks like. If you decide also to get it by text, it's going to look like this. I suppose the text is going to be for everyone the same. And it says, congratulations, task has been completed successfully. This is the game code, which is one-time use. I already did it. Here's your SpongeBob SquarePants, the Patrick Star game code from Wish Coupons. So basically, I went to the website, guys, which I'm going to show also the rest of the steps. You have a lot of other things you can check later inside if you're interested for something else. Just search in the searching bar, not to lose too much time and not to make the video too long. And here it is. And down below, guys, you're gonna have different platforms, as you can see, PlayStation, Xbox, Switch, and PC. For the whole platforms, guys, the steps are the same. So you just need to choose which one you are playing. All right. So I'm just going to continue the PlayStations. It's the same steps as I mentioned before. So unlock the code. You just need to wait a couple of seconds for the whole process to get done until the end, guys. And by the end of this process, it's going to redirect you to another page when it is required to complete little task in order to unlock the code. It's very simple to do it, guys. Just follow me. I'm going to explain to you all the steps. You just need to read the instructions, guys. It says download the complete two apps below in order to unlock SpongeBob SquarePants, the Patrick Star game code. And down below it says after complete the task, enter your phone number or email above to receive the code. As you can see here is the box where I put my phone number, me, and I submit it because I got it by text. If you want, you can get it by email. You just need to put your email. But before you do that, guys, you just need to scroll it down below when you have this list of the apps, which you need to choose two apps from the list and to complete it as a task, and then you will get the code. So basically, as you can see, everything is for free, so you don't have to pay anything. And all the apps, guys, they are official from Play Store and App Store, so you don't have to do anything outside official stores, all right? So this is the legit way, and this is nothing to get worried about. So you just need to choose two of the apps, make sure to read the instructions because every app have different instructions, so you can find which is the easiest one and you can do it faster, okay? So me, for example, I did crown coins and I did high five casino. There was very simple tasks like this task. They wanted just to download the apps and to open it for a couple of seconds, all right? So I'm going to explain how it works. You just need to choose, you press on it, and then it shows again the instruction, tap to install. For this app particularly, it shows exactly what you need to do. So it says it will take you to the App Store, because I'm using iPhone, Play Store if you're using Android. And you need to search in the App Store, in the searching bar casino, and need to find the Crown Coins Casino. And once you're going to find it, you just need to install it and open it. So this is the task. So press to search on App Store. Okay, it is going to connect right now App Store, and then type casino. All right, and need to find crown coins over here. To me, it shows open because I've done it before. To you, it will show the sign of downloading if you're gonna do it. For example, this one, you just need to download it. You just need to open it, guys. As you can see, this was the task was required for this app. And the second one, it was High Five Casino. It was very similar as a task, and you just need to press on it again, tap to install. This app is just saying to from App Store to download the app. So as you can see, I downloaded. I just opened it, so it took me like 34 minutes, guys, and I was able to complete the task. So once I did both of the apps, came back to the page, and I just put my phone number here, all right, and I submitted, and then a couple of minutes after they verified I did everything correctly, they just sent me by SMS the code. So basically, this is it, guys. I hope it was helpful and useful. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the like button. See you in the next videos. Cheers.